open the Adobe Scan app. So directly it will go to this camera. So and then in that, uh, if there is a document, it will automatically recognize that. Okay, so I will go back. So in that you have to choose, we have whiteboard, form, document, business card, like that. So you have to choose document. So in that you have to go to this, you have to scan this particular document. So automatically it will crop. So if you want to adjust, you can adjust the corners, and then you can click continue. If you have any issues with this take, you can retake again. So if you wrongly clicked like this means, so you can retake again. So you have to click this. Okay, so you have to adjust it, then give continue. After clicking that, you have to click that again. So you have different pages now. Okay, so if you don't want a particular page, so you can go here and you can click delete, and you can delete that. So I don't want this first page also, so I will delete now. So this page is okay for me. Okay, so now I want to continue to take the next page means, so I will go here and then I have to click add page. So and then take another photo. So same procedure, so you have to follow again. So it automatically deducted that paper. So and I adjust the corners, then I click continue. So and then you click that, so automatically I have given here to select this page. And then if you want to crop you can able to crop here. If you want to change the order of the page, that can also be done. And then if you want to rotate the page, so you can click here and you can rotate the page. Then if you want to change the color, so now I have given us so you can have different colors: original color, auto color, and then grayscale and whiteboard. So I have chosen auto color. So auto color will be a good option to have a clear view of that particular content. Okay, so and then you have a cleanup option. You can also resize the page. And then finally I already told that, if you want to delete, you can delete. Okay, so this is about this. So once again, so if I want to add another page, so I will go for here and then I will add to this page. So I given continue. Okay, totally I have now I have 3 pages. So if you want to give reordering, so I can shuffle the pages. So now I know that from which page number I have to start. So I can do like this, or I can do like this. If I want to shuffle, it can be easily done here. Okay, so after this reordering, if you have to click this tick button, so the ordering of the page is now done. And then if you want to give the name for this particular document, you can give. So I am giving now subject wireless networks EC 8004. Okay, now it is renamed. Now you have to save this PDF. So click here to save the PDF. Okay, now it is saved. So after that, you can click this and then you can use this PDF. So now if you want to share, you have option here, share a copy. Then you will have different options to share through Gmail or WhatsApp or any of the app you want, you can share with that app. That's all.